Hi there, I'm Carmen and welcome back to another video. I'm here at Aligned Pilates Studio and today I am going to be showing you the short box on the high barrel or ladder barrel. Now if you've ever practiced the short box on the reformer, I think you're going to see some familiar movements in my body and you can connect the dots to, oh yeah, I've done that before on the short box on the reformer. Now sometimes I do bring my clients over onto the high barrel, especially with someone like in myself when I was trying to kind of get more length and evenness through my lower back, and also to connect my legs up into the hips and connect with the rest of my body. I came over here and my teacher brought me to this piece of apparatus to help me get the idea of how to move on the short box on the reformer. So it was, for some people, it's more challenging, and for other people, it's a way to connect the dots. So I say try both. Okay, so you're gonna need a bar, okay, because like it's on the short box. And you know, I was taught to have it like a certain amount. I do play with the settings depending on how tall my student is or how tiny they are. So you can play around with this. I'm going to come up to where my feet are on the second rung so that I could connect my arches of my feet into there, as the top of my feet will feel a bit more secure against the top bar. But I am not pulling like I do as much on the strap. So it's a little more precarious. Be sure about your footing. So my feet are here and I'm going to bring my pelvis slightly forward. So that's where I feel my tailbone, I suppose. And I know where my sits bones are. They're kind of down, all right? Hands are going to be right into my tummy, and that's going to remind me that this whole area is what we're going to move backwards. Now what's really cool is I can actually push my feet into that bar to feel steady through my low body as my upper body can go through the process of rounding, stretching, and the feeling of my body on the mat. I get a tactile sensation. And I can go way back here while feeling safe. That I cannot always get when I do the round on the short box. That's tough. No way am I saying you have to go all the way back, but I want you to learn how to use your feet into this bar, connect your lower legs up the lower body, up into your upper body, bring the parts together, and then go through the exercise of round. Okay, transfer your bottom up a little higher so you do feel like you can feel those sitting bones, and you can feel that your pelvic bones here and down there, they're kind of riding, you know, up. They're going that way. Grab your bar. You're going to lift your bar up. The bar is wonderful to keep your chest open, to challenge your upper body and your arms to your back, to go through the flat back. Now I am extending my legs a little to help balance so that when I go back further, I don't feel like I'm going to fall off. So as I go back further, I extend the legs. But you don't have to extend the legs. You can just simply Make your legs stable. All right, side to side. Wow, I'm really all over the place with shakiness. This is great. Oh, it keeps me humble. So use your feet into the bar to lift your body up, but staying connected into the seat of the barrel. The twist. I'm going to twist and I'm going to reach. And I'm going to twist back. I'm going to twist, I'm going to reach, and I'm going to come back. The freedom to extend and not feel like you're vulnerable is amazing. Great. Put this away. And we're going to go into tree. Now, anything that I'm doing that you're not quite practicing yet, don't do it. Work with your teacher, work with me, and we'll get it so that you do feel safe. Because again, you're not strapped in here. And if you're not knowing how to use the equipment right, you can kind of get in trouble. So keeping your legs generally where they are, you can bring them in slightly towards your middle. You bring one leg up, and you're going to do some stretching of that leg as you pull on your leg to help lift your chest. Up you get. Take a hold of your leg, and you can rock. And then you can go down and back up. And down. And up. And down to the place where if you extended that leg and this leg's reaching, you could find your back and feel comfortable enough to be over your barrel. And then back up we come. Okay? Again, if you're new and this seems like something really exciting to try, don't try it unless you have someone with you, just in case you go off backwards. Very dangerous. So know what you're doing. Use at your own risk. I'm going to just lower my foot down there. That's it. I don't know about you, but I kind of have these little chats with myself when I'm trying. Whew, feel delightful. And now I'm going to go, and I'm going to extend up and over that barrel. Oh yeah. All right. Oh wow. Short box on the high barrel, the ladder barrel. A wonderful experience. Give that a try. Write in the comments what you like about it, why you like it on here, why you like it on the reformer, and what each experience brings to your practice. I'd love to hear from you. So have a good workout, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.